G'day, it's Liam from Leighton Vans, and here we are talking about a new product, the wheel arches for the Ford Transits, the long wheelbase, short wheelbase, and sliding doors. So we're going to start with the most common one in Australia, the long wheelbase. So over here, the front ends are the same from the long wheelbase and the short wheelbase over here. So the short wheelbase is going to come in 3 pieces. So we've got 1 piece here, 2, and then the third and is the same as the long. But where it's a bit different is over the back. So come and follow us over here. On the long wheelbase, as you can see, this door does not come over to here. So the wheel arch is actually going to be in 2 pieces. 1 here and 1 nice longer piece over there. But with the short wheelbase and with the sliding doors, it's again a little bit slightly different. So this is a short wheelbase, and this door goes into the wheel arch. So the arch kit's going to come in 3 different pieces. This is what comes in the box, and this is a new premium plastic, and if it does get damaged, you can heat it up with a heat gun and it will self-heal. It comes with alcohol wipes for easy applying. So let's go check it out on the actual vehicle. So these come with the alcohol wipes, and you take it out, give it a wipe down, and this does come with a double-sided tape, and we apply it as we go. When you open the box, it's going to be pretty self-explanatory. It's going to be labeled left hand and right hand. And if it doesn't fit, simply don't apply. So this is something that we prepared earlier. This piece is going to go nice in here. That'll be the piece 1, second piece, and then the third piece will fit like so. Application is super easy. It comes with double-sided tape. You pull it off and slap it on. As you see guys, it's literally that easy to install the wheel arch kit on these new Ford Transits. If you do have any questions, hit us up at leightonvans.com.au and we'll be in touch very soon.